To those who stand for beauty, life is often unfair, and we are often lazy or afraid. So things get jammed up, sabotaged, sick, stuck, stolen, beat, broken, hidden, forbidden, twisted. All manner of things happen to our diamond, brilliant minds, our precious and powerful hearts, our magnificent, self-healing bodies. We're fed countless messages and images of what is wrong with and allegedly ugly about us. Why are we not more often reminded that we are carbon-based life forms morphing into immeasurably more than before? So don't you be dismayed by those with tiny cups and shrunken vision. What do they know of what it is to be an enlivened human, filled with soul and nerve endings that alert us to the world around and within? The madness out there would have you pay no notice to the growth of your garden or children. It would have you take for granted the thoughtful attention of your lover, the support of caring friends and family, the sweet company of your furry four-legged, the faithful warmth of a golden sun that shines information and nutrition. Every day, there is more dry wood added to the kindling fire of the bridges that burn between us. But those with eyes to see are learning that we can reflect a different reality. Once we've beheld the beauty that's possible, we only want to see it more and more. That is our function, to stand for that beauty. Stand for that beauty. Don't seek permission for what your soul commands. The hibiscus doesn't grovel and beg. The kiskadee doesn't worry and fret, and their needs are met as they sing, as they fragrance the air. We are to do likewise. We can do likewise. What would it feel like to let your inner visions out into the world? What would happen if more decent people raised our hands and voices to beauty and harmony and things that we actually want? The persistent pain you've lived with is your Rubik's Cube. Figure yours out, beloved. Then help someone with what you've learned. Put it in a song. Put it in a book, a business, a cookie, a baby, a movie script, a letter, video, soil. Put it somewhere, and you will feel wonderful.